Rope-wrapped mirror. This project adds a rustic or nautical feel to your decor and doesn't require special tools. You'll need a mirror, rope, hot glue gun, and scissors. Clean your mirror edge, apply hot glue to the back, press rope firmly, then wrap tightly with no gaps between rows. Once wrapped to desired thickness, cut the end and secure with hot glue. Sunburst mirror creates bold wall art. You'll need a small round mirror, wooden dowels or chopsticks for rays, and strong adhesive. Arrange rays in sunburst pattern on mirror back. Glue each ray to the mirror back generously for strong bond. Let dry completely according to manufacturer instructions. Customize with different materials and paint colors to match your personal style and decor. Ready to transform ordinary mirrors into stunning statement pieces? First up, the sea glass mosaic mirror. This project is perfect for bringing a coastal, relaxed vibe to your decor. Materials you'll need: a mirror with a frame. A simple wooden frame works best. Sea glass pieces, found at a beach or purchased from a craft store. Clear drying adhesive like E6000. Grout sponge, bucket for mixing, protective gloves, trowel and rags. Prepare the frame. Clean the mirror frame thoroughly to ensure the adhesive will stick. If the frame is painted, give it a light sanding to create a better surface for the glue. Arrange the sea glass. Before you start gluing, arrange the pieces to create your desired pattern. Experiment with different colors, shapes, and layouts. Glue the glass. Apply a small amount of clear drying adhesive to the back of each piece. Press it firmly onto the frame. Allow the glue to dry completely according to manufacturer's instructions. Apply the grout. Put on protective gloves. Mix the grout until it has a peanut butter-like consistency. Using a trowel, spread the grout over the sea glass and into the gaps. Make sure all spaces are filled. Clean the grout. Wait 10-15 minutes, then use a damp sponge to wipe away excess grout. Final polish. After grout dries for a day, use a dry rag to buff the sea glass, revealing its shine. Gilded leaf mirror. This technique adds a touch of luxury and can make a simple frame look incredibly expensive. Materials you'll need: a mirror with simple frame, gilding kit with leaf sheets, adhesive and sealer. Soft brush, clean lint-free cloth, and protective gloves. Prepare the frame. Clean to remove dust. Light sanding for smooth surface if needed. Apply the gilding adhesive. Using the brush, apply a thin, even layer of the adhesive, also called size. Wait for the size to become tacky, usually 10-20 minutes. It should feel sticky, but no glue should come off. Apply the gold leaf. Carefully place a sheet onto the tacky surface. The leaf is extremely delicate. Use a soft brush to gently press the leaf and smooth out wrinkles. Overlap pieces for full coverage. Burnish and remove excess. Use a soft brush to burnish the surface and brush away excess flakes. Apply the sealer. Protect the delicate leaf with clear sealer to prevent scratches and tarnishing. Painted or stenciled frame. This is one of the most versatile and easiest ways to refresh a mirror. Materials needed: mirror with frame, painter's tape, sandpaper, paint, brushes, stencils, and clear sealer. Prepare the mirror. Use painter's tape to mask off the glass. Clean the frame thoroughly. If the frame is glossy, light sanding will help the paint adhere better. Apply the base coat. Apply an even coat of your chosen paint. Use bold color for modern look. For distressed look, apply darker color first, then lighter on top and sand edges. Stenciling. Position your stencil on the completely dry base coat. Use a stencil brush with gentle dabbing motion. Lift the stencil carefully to reveal the pattern. Remove the painter's tape from the mirror's glass. Seal and finish. Apply clear sealer to protect the finish. 3 stunning ways to transform ordinary mirrors into extraordinary statement pieces for your home. Floral adorned mirror. Add a whimsical and romantic touch by attaching faux flowers or succulents to the frame. This works especially well on a round or oval mirror. Use a hot glue gun to arrange the blooms and greenery around the border. This project is perfect for a bedroom or a decorative wall in a living room. Branch or twig frame. Embrace a rustic, natural aesthetic by creating a frame out of small branches or twigs. Cut the pieces to size and arrange them around the mirror's edge. You can use a strong wood glue or hot glue to secure them. This is a great way to bring some of the outdoors in. DIY beveled mirror. You can create the look of a high-end beveled mirror using strips of wood or plastic. Cut the strips at a 45-degree angle to create a beveled effect and attach them to the mirror with a strong adhesive. This is a subtle yet sophisticated way to elevate a plain mirror. Nine, ombre painted mirror. For a modern and artistic look, try an ombre paint effect on a wooden or metal frame. Choose a few shades of the same color and blend them from light to dark across the frame. This creates a beautiful gradient effect that adds a pop of color to any room. 10. Lego frame mirror. This is a fun and creative idea, especially if you have a lot of Lego bricks. Build a custom frame around a small mirror using bricks of different colors and sizes. You can create a geometric pattern, a colorful mosaic, or even add three-dimensional elements. This project is perfect for a kid's room or a playful office space.